And Shallom Maweu Sila, a physics and chemistry teacher at St. Francis Misiani Girls High School in Kangundo, Machakos, is a lucky teacher, having been named among the top 50 finalists globally for the 2026 Global Teacher Prize. Sila is now placing Kenya on the global education stage ahead of the award ceremony scheduled for February 2026 in Dubai. The Global Teacher Prize recognizes educators whose work has had a transformative impact on learners and communities.
This global recognition caps are remarkable here for the Machakos-based teacher.
My turning point mainly came in the year 2020 during the COVID-19 duration, when there was the unprecedented closure of schools. I joined my colleagues to volunteer to teach online. We began with trial and error using various platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, amongst others. In the first week, we began with 2 learners. By the end of the 17th week, we had each over 10,000 learners, and this was just mind-blowing. With time, the government, through my employer, Teacher Service Commission, took over the initiative, and they rolled out the program for remote learning technologies, where I was honored to be among those who were selected to champion remote learning methodologies in the country.
Earlier this year, he was named first runners-up for the African Union CONEDO Best Teacher Award, and in October, the Teacher Service Commission TSC honored him during the World Teachers' Day celebrations for exemplary national service in transforming STEM education for girls.
We have several students who have really excelled in STEM, and specifically physics, who came with a very negative attitude. Some of whom I had to follow them up after dropping physics in Form 2 to convince them that they are able to take it up. And at the end of the 4-year period, they have scored cleaners. We have some even outside the country in the USA who are pursuing STEM-related courses like medicine, engineering, amongst others, and also several in our public universities.
When I heard that it was meant for boys and that it was very difficult, now I find it not that easy, but it is also, okay, the girls can also participate in STEM programs and also have the chance to participate in science activities.
Sila, due to his zeal in STEM pathway, has been named as an ambassador of virtual laboratories, including Lab Change, developed by Harvard University, using simulations and videos to make science learning engaging and accessible. His lessons integrate problem-based and inquiry-based learning, hands-on experiments, robotics, coding, and artificial intelligence to bridge the gap between classroom theory and real-world application.
There is also an inventive pedagogy, which is called Explore Cafe. Explore Cafe is a pedagogy which we've invented within the community of practice of invention educators, that is a COPIA, whereby it's an acronym meaning experiential, playful learning opportunities and reality, whereby we have learners being involved mainly in hands-on activities.
Beyond academics, Mr. Sila co-founded a school-based education fund that supports over 150 needy girls annually with partial scholarships, sanitary towels, and stationery, helping them remain in school despite socio-economic challenges common in semi-arid Ukambani region. If he wins the Global Teacher Prize of $1 million award, Sila plans to establish a state-of-the-art makers space and community ICT and innovation hub in Machakos to expand digital access and nurturing young inventors. Stephen Zioka, KTN.
And yes, indeed, we do celebrate teacher Sila and wish him the